Internet Computer is a middle-tier digital currency that is currently worth $4.03 and belongs to the category of mineable coins. It has a market capitalization of $1,775.336.254, which is a lot of money. Over the past few years, digital currencies like Internet Computer have gained a strong foothold in the financial world and are now being traded. Undertakings of all market participants brought the price of Internet Computer to $4.03, where it is now, or so they thought. This is very simple, as ICP is a middle-of-the-road digital currency since it ranks 33rd in the overall digital currency rankings. The particular kind of measure that is still kind of out there by copying the generally current price by the market capitalization of the electronic asset makes sense despite the fact that Internet computers have made common sense very easy to understand. The actual market value stays at $1,775,336,254. The real meaning of this limit will be figured out later, which is usually very simple, or so they thought. Our cost assumption estimation is set up in a way that it constantly checks both the value and the market capitalization of the machine being referred to, so it can give outfits or backers the most accurate information on the machine. Our calculation also takes into account clear data, which is very important for the right assessment of both the current and expected market structure and its current and future direction. Recently on August 4th, ICP was essentially valued at $4.04 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings in every practical sense, particularly our exchange day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a kind of significant manner. In a truly significant manner, the cost change rate wise over the said period, basically generally the cost level that is silent, is 5.11 away from where it now is. Despite popular belief, the cost of ICP and CFIX readings are not the sole measurements that we utilize when drawing cost assumptions, or so they buy in huge thoughts in every practical sense. Market capitalization in every practical sense truly is one more significant kind of metric that essentially for the most part helps traders with explicitly deciding the notoriety of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities. In addition, contrary to popular belief, it is likewise used to sort of essentially evaluate the offer that Internet Computer particularly fundamentally holds inside the extremely beautiful whole digital cube. Market fundamentally contradicts common thinking in a big way, and the equation for calculating market capitalization is particularly simple. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of ICP certainly truly remains at $1,775,336,254, enough to name it the 33rd truly large coin on the digital currency. Market expansion, contrary to popular belief, or so they essentially believed on August 4th, the market capitalization of Internet Computer sort of specifically held at $1,773,532,836 in every practical sense, extremely notwithstanding widespread thinking sufficiently for the most part important matter. 7 days prior on July 29th, the capitalization of ICP usually was $1,894,994,876 in a genuinely substantial method, or so they truly believed a month prior on July 5th. How much sort of typically capital flowing around this very basically specialized market frequently added up to $1,857,676,479, for the most part remarkably in contrast to popular belief in a generally major way. Most cryptographic money financial backers adhere to the rule that market capitalization also determines the dangers associated with an extremely specific digital currency and its capacity to fundamentally in every practical sense endure disturbances, which essentially explicitly are the type of truly normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market. The kind of complete stock of ICP at present, all things considered, truly remains at 503,157,944 coins, or so they sort of thought, which truly is very huge. The circling supply of the digital currency under survey for the most part is 440,800,14596 ICP in an exceptionally significant way, or so they thought. This Internet Computer cost expectation Walden T is frequently pretty exceptionally complete without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry because it's the kind of measurement utilized by essentially all digital money brokers to fundamentally truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in a by and large significant manner, or so they in every practical sense thought. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain truly is happening on the back of the breakout to the potential gain. There is a high likelihood that this move is unreasonable in every way that matters fundamentally and would particularly result in a bull ish snare essentially truly in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is very critical. As a result, it is critical to fundamentally break down the actual kind of past and the truly kind of current exchange. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC falls to support level of $26,000 by the dip. In the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, the price of Bitcoin is currently around $26,051. On Tuesday, it went down by 0.25%. Even though the way the market works is still changing, recent events and factors have caught the attention of both buyers and fans. Legalizing U.S. penalties against the Tornado Cash cryptocurrency platform is a big deal. This is a big deal in terms of regulatory measures. Also, Craig Wright's claims that there are billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin have been met with skepticism and rejection by the group of people who work on Bitcoin. In the middle of all of this, the growing popularity of ordinary transactions is making NFT supporters question the supposed fall of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price change is being looked at in the context of this complex mix of factors, which raises the question of whether the current drop is a good time to make smart purchases. Sanctions against the Tornado Cash cryptocurrency platform are approved by a U.S. judge. The BTC/USD exchange rate is going down because a federal judge backed U.S. penalties against Tornado Cash, a decentralized cryptocurrency platform. The U.S. Treasury Department put sanctions in place last year because of allegations of money laundering and helping harmful cyber activities. This made people even more worried about the effects of regulation on the crypto industry. Also, the fact that Coinbase is paying for the case shows how hard it is to find a balance between privacy and following the rules when it comes to cryptocurrencies. As traders think about the bigger effects of more government involvement, the market's reaction shows a cautious attitude. The fall of BTC/USD is in line with wider worries in the decentralized finance sector and shows the ongoing tension between crypto innovation and regulatory oversight. How much will Bitcoin cost? Since Bitcoin's price fell below $29,000 on August 6, there has been a lot going on in its technology world. The price of the coin has gone down a lot, and it is now worth about $25,800. The 50-day exponential moving average,